Tim. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a basic circuit using alligator clips and testing material. For this I have got some equipments. You need this foam, but if you don't have it, no problem, you don't really need it. But I'm just using this so that it's easy. I will show in this video. I'm going to show you how to do it with this, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to do it without it. So let's start. First I'll plug this thing out. Oh yeah, even the small thing. So guys, I'll tell you what all do you need first. First of all, this thing is important. For in this we'll put testing materials inside this hole, and we'll attach it inside this hole. Finger. Okay, it's done. Now we'll be needing some batteries. What I've kept in these boxes. Let me find it. Oh yeah, we'll even be needing some alligator clips. So we'll keep it over here. And yeah, even the negative alligator strips. These both will be needing. So then we'll take rods. We'll also take some rods and a straw. So that you can understand. We'll take a straw, take copper, this, and we'll take an aluminium and one aluminium rod. So let's keep this over here, and now let's go to get a battery. So the battery is right here, and let's check what other things do we need. We'll be even needing some rings. I got it. I'll show you what rings you need. We'll be needing one ring like this. So I have already attached one. Also we'll be needing a bulb. So you must be thinking it's already attached, because if you know how to how to connect the bulb, then you can do it, because it's not that important. If you have you don't really need an already attached one, just need a bulb and connect it by this. And I have kept some glue over here so that it doesn't come out. And in one of its side we'll keep this ring, tie it. So now what for explaining, this area is the bulb. You need to put the bulb through it. So let's do this work. Let's go. This one is a bit hard because the hole is too small and very squishy, hard. Minutes. So right here I kept it in this side, and the back side is like this. Okay, and now this side I will say what you need to do by this side. But before that, I would like to say that take this battery and put it over here, and I'll keep it over here. Now we are done with the keeping this. Now for connection, this thing, now this empty wire, you see this empty wire, you connect it with the black alligator strips. So for now connecting it, I will show. First we'll be needing to take this thing out. Now you will be needing to it's easy. You see this hole, keep this inside like this, let it go through it, let it pass. So yeah, you see I passed it now. Now what you need to do is just keep it back where it was. Done. Sorry. Guys, I'll just fix it and do it. But it should be touched. So actually there's nothing wrong with this thing. The main point of this is to just make this copper wire touch the iron. So now just let it leave it like this, okay? And now let's go to the connection of this one. And before that we will first take an aluminum rod or a copper rod. You can take it and put it to this hole. I know you need to put this thing to many holes. So yeah, done. So also we'll do one more thing. So the back side of the bulb, we connected this and the ring, right? We will now keep the front part. We will place the ring inside one of the sides of this bulb, battery. So what does this technically do? This ring takes the energy, takes the power of the bulb, and when we will take this clip and place it over here, then it will give the positive energy. If we'll do the same thing with the negative clip with the negative energy and keep the another ring over here, this bulb will light. So let's first place the ring and do the same thing what we did with the previous one. We will do nothing, but we'll just take a ring and tie it with this wire of the alligator clip. So I have to cut one. Now how to do it? We'll just take this and put it to the hole. Okay, like this. Now it's easy. You can just do like this and fold it. Okay, now you have done like this. Now twist this until it's tight. Okay, now it's done. Now it's easy. Now keep this ring at the other side of this. So I have kept it in this side. Wait, this will be a bit. Yes. I'm keeping it in the other side of it. Now I keep it. Yes. Now both are connected. Now I'll say you how will this work. Now let's keep this clip in the other side of this copper, and oh wait guys, we messed up. Actually it came out. We need to keep it in the ring again. Don't worry, it'll not take some time. I'll just fix it and show you. Nothing happened, I was just kidding. So yeah, now we'll take another clip and keep it in the other side of the copper. As you can see, the bulb is lighting. Now I'll show you the process. How does this even work? So as we see, this is a copper wire. It must be made up of some type of metal. So metals are some items that transfer any current energy. Now if I use the same thing but exchange this metal or this thing with a wooden stick, will it work? Let's check. We'll keep this one over here and this one. But the bulb is not lighting, sadly. It's not. But now what if I take an aluminum one? This. It should be working. Let's check. Keep this on the other side. shoots lightning. And when I take it out, done. So guys, I think in this way, I hope you learned something. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.